Something can arise without needing to go anywhere. A thought forms, a feeling surfaces, a reaction begins, and none of it requires completion. When the movement toward it doesn't happen, it settles on its own. What changes isn't the content, it's the absence of pursuit. Energy only leaves when it's carried outward. When that doesn't occur, it remains contained without effort or restraint. There's no holding here, no interruption. The motion simply doesn't continue. At some point, something that would usually pull forward doesn't. Not because it was stuck, but because nothing followed it. There's no need to label that moment or revisit it. It doesn't need reinforcement. It already ended, and nothing left with it.